Here I have Samsung Galaxy A Night 2018, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you should pick display, and now go to font and screen zoom. It's this tab. And simply by tapping on this scale, you can change the font size, so it can be huge, it can be just large, default one, or very, very tiny. So let me pick, for example, the huge, and then you can also change the font style. So you can have Gothic Bold, Cool Jazz, Rosemary, or you can also download some fonts. Let me pick, for example, Cool Jazz, and once you pick the size and the style of your font, tap on Done to save the changes. And as you can see now, all your display is in this Cool Jazz font style. And also the icons the letters are in the size that you set up. So if you'd like to go back to default settings, just open the settings, then select display, pick font and screen zoom, change the font size to default one, so it's in the middle, and then select default style. Tap on Done if you would like to save it, and as you can see now, we are back in default settings, and your font style and size are just normal standard ones. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.